Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to make your Facebook account completely private. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open Facebook on your mobile device. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right of your screen. Tap on the settings icon. Scroll down to Audience and Visibility. Select Profile Locking. Tap on Lock Your Profile at the bottom of your screen. Tap on OK. Once you have locked your profile, only your friends can see your photos, posts, and stories. And that's it. This is how you make your Facebook account completely private. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.